And for you watching at home, thank you for taking time out of your day to watch. I'm very grateful for the opportunity to be here. I'm Rick Fahrner, as I said. I'm a candidate for the Boxford Board of Health. I've been in town here for about 13 years and been on the Board of Health for the past 6 years, where I served as both chair and vice chair several times. I thought maybe I'd talk a little bit about what the Board of Health does besides just approve variances or review variances, because that's most of what we do. Over the past 6 years, we've been fairly active in town, especially with the landfill back behind us. And recently, we separated out portions of the landfill so that it can be used for other purposes, meaning it's completely separate from landfill. We also worked with the DEP to help close the landfill itself to enable the solar array to be placed on top of the landfill as part of the closure process. We helped to permanently close the salt shed, which was contaminating the drinking water. We worked with the Haynes Field Committee and the contractors to ensure that materials being installed were properly tested before they were installed. Many of you may not know there was crumb rubber put down there. Since we use wells in town, the chemicals that are in crumb rubber could contaminate the wells. We ended up testing the material and releasing it prior to installation. We've worked with the Mosquito Control District to clear trash from drainage ditches to help reduce flooding. Another issue in town has been mosquito spraying, which has been a major issue. We've worked with the Mosquito Control District to create a response plan that would minimize when we spray in response to EEE or West Nile virus. We've persistently and collaboratively worked with the district to improve options for residents to opt out of roadside spraying. You may notice now you can go on a website and opt out, which is a lot better than what was done before. We've worked with the district to utilize a less environmentally toxic agent. I can tell you this was not trivial to do, but it's being done now. We've developed a response plan to communicate arbovirus risk, or EEE risk, to the public, and to use targeted spraying on playing fields to reduce risk and keep ball fields open. I'm asking for your vote tonight because I'd like to continue to create well-reasoned policies that can preserve the health and safety of residents both today and tomorrow. Some of the issues in the community that are most important to me are mosquito and tick-borne diseases. I would also like to help, excuse me, fighting a bit of a cold. I would like to help flooded neighborhoods by reducing the cause of flooding by humanely controlling the impact of beavers, and that's one of the things we've been working with the Mosquito Control District is to maintain our waterways here. We also want to protect our unique environment, keeping our drinking water safe and preserve Boxford's rural character in a manner that's fair for all. I believe I can help because I'm patient, open-minded, and level-headed person who is able to quickly resolve complex and emotionally charged problems with a reasonable and scientific approach. I'm willing to take the time to study issues and regulations as well as to listen to options. Lastly, I have a background in training that is needed for the Board of Health. Thank you very much for your time and consideration. I ask you to vote for me, Rick Fahrner, or Richard Fahrner on the ballot, on May 15th. Thank you.